What's up, my wealthy babies? I am back with another video, and with this video it is all about installing this wig here. If you seen last week's video, you already know I have prepped it, but this week we are installing this wig, so let's get into it, baby. One trick that I like to do when it comes to my wig installs, sometimes I like to get a wig cap that is darker than my skin tone because it makes the wig look more like scalp. Like, y'all gonna see when we done with the install, but that's one thing that I really enjoy is that I'm gonna use Got to Be Glue. I'm just gonna go with the OG. I'm not gonna do anything special or use any special product today. We're gonna go ahead and go with this. Okay, so I'm about to go in with some sharp scissors and cut off the excess wig cap that I'm not going to use. So when the flaps come up, usually what I do is I just go right back in with the glue so I can lay that down so it can stop it from lifting. And I make sure I don't use too much glue just to lay that part back down. I'm going to lay down the wig cap that is sticking up just so it can be flat. Make sure if you choose to do this, make sure you have your blow dryer ready on a cool setting because it will. With Got to Be Glue, you know that this is gonna lift up this whole wig cap right back up and it's gonna look like you never did anything. So that's what I'm about to go ahead and do. Okay, so the wig that we're installing today is from Geeta Hair. It is this honey blonde and it looks so good and I'm absolutely in love with it because the honey blonde looks so good on me and definitely with my skin tone. I'm so excited to try this wig on because I love a honey blonde wig. I love honey blonde color. Like back in the day when I was in high school, when I was a teenager, I used to always have, like, my hair was like a honey blonde, a dark brown honey blonde color, and I always wanted my hair to be like this type of honey blonde, and it was so hard to get my hair that color. This is that color right here, because it was just too much bleaching and just extra stuff that I honestly did not feel like going through. But to have a wig that is this color, it's like I'm just playing, like, you know, dress up just to see how this color looks. Because if this look good on me, I wouldn't mind dyeing my hair this color. Time to go ahead and glue this wig down, okay? So I am going in with the boho active right here. I'm probably going to use 1 or 2 layers of this. I don't want to use 3 or so many. I'll probably just use 1 layer of this. So I made sure I laid down the lace pretty tight. And what I'm doing is I'm just going to comb the hair back and also comb in the product into the lace. And I did 3 slits just so I can do each side separately, you know. So we got that laid down. Just keep pressing that product in. So get really sneak up in there. And I only did 2 layers as y'all saw. So yeah. Alright y'all, I just had this band on for about an hour and now it's time to cut off the lace. I'm gonna tell you, my head is aching. Having that band on for an hour is absolutely ridiculous, but I gotta do what I gotta do to make sure this wig is laying down. What the fuck? Girl, I do not know what's going on with this lace. I decided, obviously, with this hairstyle, that I wanted to do something new and not put any lace tint actually on my wig and do it after I installed it, you know. So that's why the lace is looking all white and everything. But girl, trust me, I'm trusting the process, and I'm telling you to trust the process, because I know it look crazy and all white. This lace is transparent, but when I saw this, I was absolutely terrified. But you're gonna see a difference real soon, trust me. Okay y'all, so y'all just seen that I touched up my lace, reapplied the glue, blow dried it down, and everything's good. Now what I'm doing is I had applied on my lace tinting powder, and afterwards I'm going in with my Frontal Queen lace melting spray. I got this from TikTok and I'm absolutely new to it. This is like literally my second time using it and I love it. Y'all seen my lace was white as hell and it's coming to life, you know. So I really like this product. I don't like to use it often because whenever I like a product and it's my favorite, I like to use it when I really need to use it. So I pulled this bad boy out and y'all see my lace is getting together. It's not white anymore. That transparent lace is starting to look a little bit HD. I tell y'all to trust me, I know what I'm doing. So let's get into the styling part real quick. Alright, so the hairstyle that I wanted to do, I found it on Pinterest. So it's kind of like this half up, half down with a side part bang, and I thought it was so cute because now, you know, a lot of things are trending with the side part bang with the 3 buns or the 2 buns in the back. So I thought, why not do this with this hairstyle? I think it'll look extra cute. So that's what we're doing today. And yeah, so let's get into this styling. It's really not much for me to explain. You guys can watch because this hairstyle is very easy to do. You can have this for your everyday hairstyle. You can have this for a little lunch or brunch with your girls. You can wear this for work. You know, you can wear this hairstyle wherever you want to go. So just watch as I work. All right, y'all, and this is the final look, and this is how everything came out, and I am taking it, honey, in my E. Kane voice. My makeup is eating down, my hair is eating down. I'm looking good, I'm feeling myself. Thank you, Geeta Hair, for sending me this wig because it feels good and it got me looking good, and I'm absolutely in love with this. Tell me what y'all think in the comments down below. Do y'all like this honey blonde on me? Because I think I'm feeling myself with this wig on. I think I might definitely dye my hair this color. Like, I wouldn't be mad at it. Like, it is cute. It's really, really cute on me. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I had fun doing this hairstyle and playing with this wig. It's breathtaking, okay? So, like always, leave your comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up. And y'all already know, if you're not subscribed, then what? Then you're missing out on some good content, girl. So, thank you for watching. Follow me on Snapchat and TikTok. And stay tuned for next week's video. Bye, my babies.